Welcome! Now I'm gonna show you how to clean application cache and data using normal Xiaomi settings. To do it, you need to open the settings app, and scroll down, find apps here, then click manage apps, choose the application you wanna manage the space, for example Amazon Shopping. Okay, I have not opened this application yet, so for example I wanna use it for jewelry. Click clear data, and now you can clear cache only or all data. Click on it, click, and cool, we have cleared data generated from the camera. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.